Python 1-1, real world, we are heading up to OSWEGO. The skies look to be a little clearer up there. Advise when ready, check in. 1-1 from Python 1-1, mission 5311, 1 by MQ-9, transitioning to OSWEGO, flight level 210, clean, 1+50, time remaining on station. We are VDL capable, analog on 5280, request aboard in the clear. Correction from Python 1-1, VDL available on 5425. Last two numbers broken, 5425. 1-1 is ready, tasking. VENOM, Python is on the northernmost border of Grimm Alpha. I'll get you an ETA and one mic. Send it. VENOM, Python copies Tango, Victor, November, rest broken. On copies 18, Tango, Victor, November, 069er, tree, ready, EEIs, and intent. 1-1 copies, looking for 1 by aircraft, 1 by tank, both stationary at this time, and we will report back by 1345 Zulu. Either the aircraft or the tank. 1-1, be advised, we are tally 1 by tank, 1 by swept-winged aircraft, and can provide coordinates upon request. 065-9er, tree, 669er, and for the aircraft, I read, standby. 57. 9er, 6-9er, tree, 853-9er, 0. And VENOM 1-1, Python 1-1 copies in preparation for a raid. This compound will report back any vehicles associated with the building and first floor entrances and or windows. Do you have an associated time for this? Python 1-1. Question about 3 more mics. We've got the west, south, and east side of the building. Still trying to truck around to get to the north. Tractor. We've got 34 man doors and 4 garage doors. How copy? I've got 1 vehicle at the entrance as well as 2 other vehicles at the boat launch specifically. 1-1, be advised, we have 1 by vehicle dropping a boat in the water at this time. Do you have any priorities for us to follow? Python 1-1 is captured. White 4-door pickup truck currently oriented to the west. There are personnel entering the vehicle at this time. The vehicle is on the move, currently headed westbound. We'll call major turns. We will continue tracking. Turning north, last turn point 18 Tango Victor November 074873. On Python 1-1, vehicle is changing directions, currently in a strip mall parking lot, and now headed to the west at 18 Tango Victor November 073878. Residential area, current location 18 Tango Victor November 059er 876. Python 1-1, if vehicle dismounts, should we expect a standoff? HDI leaves the vehicle, and do you happen to know which door the HDI is in? Passenger side for Python 1-1. Having a discussion. Vehicle is on the move. We are tracking. Under cloud.